Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make this spoon. I think it's really elegant, it looks a bit of a Lord of the Rings style to it. And it doesn't matter what wood you use. As you can see, I've used construction timber. This is a bit of 2x4 or really expensive paddock wood. So timber doesn't matter, so don't be put off if you can't afford or find quality timber. The timber we'll be using is lime wood. This wood here smells absolutely lovely, but these two more, and it tastes beautiful. Maybe not taste, but it's really good to use. It looks a bit like beechwood once it's sanded, but it's a lot softer and it carves beautifully. It does exactly what you want to do and you get no tear at all. So it's wonderful to carve. Some materials you need for this project are very minimal. It's only hand tools to use. For example, you'll want a range of knives, a nice blade knife. You'll want a gale chisel or spoon carving knife. I brought a Mora crook knife, which is brilliant for spoon carving. And you want the files and rasps and a range of saws. You don't need all of them. You could do a lot of cutting with an axe and a knife. So you really only need 2 tools, but to make it easier, you're using a range of these tools. So let's get started carving.
This fire is magic. It produces its own wood somehow. This template I made myself. You can get it online if you want, but I'd rather if you design your own template because it develops your creative skills.
Basically, I made one small mistake. I started cutting a spoon gouge, but really I should cut the obvious line first, otherwise it's going to be a really deep hole. So we can start cutting now. So you want to take your time and slowly build out to a circle. You want to be about 2 or 3 mil in front of it, so you finish that bit off with a spoon carving. When using a crook knife, always take note of the grain, because if you go the wrong side of a grain and not along a grain, you'll get tear out. Now you have sanded the various grits. I'm going to finish with 320 grit, and this sandpaper is called Abronate. This is like a special meshy type sandpaper, it's going to last much longer. Now we're going to apply a Danish oil to a spoon. You can use any finish you like really, waxes, varnish or anything, but I quite like Danish oil because it's nice and quick. Ah, it smells so good. Yeah, nice golden colour. Now you're ready to buff up your spoon. After about an hour drying time,